Hello dear students, myself CMA Padmaja Buzruk. I will discuss accounts of insurance company. Go to study note number 4, accounts of banking, electricity and insurance companies. I will discuss accounts of insurance companies. I will continue with general insurance business. We'll see few illustrations. Illustration 24, Khush Raho Insurance Company Limited furnish you the following information. On 31st March 13, it had reserve for unexpired risk to the tune of 100 crore. It comprised of 37.5 crore in respect of marine insurance business, 50 crore in respect of fire insurance business, and 12.5 crore in respect of miscellaneous insurance business. So if you add these three, 37.5, 50 and 12.5 which will be 100. 100 crores is the total reserve for unexpired risk. It is the practice of Khush Raho Insurance Company Limited to create reserve at 100% of net premium income in respect of marine insurance policies and at 50% of net premium in respect of fire and miscellaneous insurance business. So you are given the information that provision for unexpired risk is at 100% of net premium for marine insurance and 50% of net premium in case of fire and miscellaneous insurance. During the year 31st March 14, the following business was conducted. Premium collected from insured other than insurance companies in respect of policies issued. So they have collected these premiums. Other insurance companies in respect of risk undertaken, that is premium on reinsurance accepted. They have collected this premium from other insurance companies. Premium paid or payable to other insurance companies, that is they are supposed to pay this premium to other insurance companies for reinsurance ceded. This is the provision for unexpired risk opening, which is given 37.5, 50 and 12.5. Closing we are supposed to create. Now we'll find out the net premium received 45 plus 17.5 minus 16.75 is 45.75. In case of marine, 100% of net premium is provision for unexpired risk. So closing provision for unexpired risk is 45.75. In case of fire, premium collected is 107.5 in respect of policies issued. Premium collected from other insurance companies, that is reinsurance accepted, 12.5. Add these two. Premium on reinsurance ceded is 10.75. Deduct this. So 107.5 plus 12.5 minus 10.75. Net premium for fire is 109.25. Provision is 50%. So half of this is 54.625. This is the closing provision for unexpired risk. In case of miscellaneous, premium collected from the policies issued is 30. Premium collected from other insurance companies for reinsurance accepted is 10. Add these two. Premium payable to other companies for reinsurance ceded 17.5. Deduct this. 30 plus 10 minus 17.5. Net premium is 22.50. Provision is 50% of net premium. So half of 22.50 is 11.25. These are the closing provisions. Now I will show you the account. Unexpired risk reserve account. Rupees are in crores. By balance brought down. This is opening provision 37.5, 50 and 12.5. 37.50, 50 and 12.5 opening provision. By balance brought down. Closing provision 45.75, 54.63 and 11.25. 2 balance carried down. Closing provision 45.75, 54.63, 11.25. The account gets closed by transferring it to revenue account. In case of marine, debit is more. Difference balancing figure 8.25 will go to revenue account. In case of fire, debit is more. So difference 4.63 will get transferred to revenue account. In case of miscellaneous, credit is more. So difference 1.25 will get transferred to revenue account. Now we'll pass journal entry for this. Marine revenue account debit to unexpired risk reserve account 8.25. Marine revenue account debit 8.25 to unexpired risk reserve account. Excess of closing provision for unexpired risk of 45.75 crore over opening provision of 37.50 crore charged to marine revenue account. For fire revenue account debit 4.63 to unexpired risk reserve account. Fire revenue account debit to unexpired risk reserve account 4.63. In case of miscellaneous, unexpired risk reserve account debit to miscellaneous revenue account 1.25. Unexpired risk revenue account debit 1.25 to miscellaneous revenue account 1.25. That is how these journal entries are to be passed. Open account, opening balance, by balance brought down, closing balance, to balance carried down, and difference will get transferred to revenue account. Now we'll see illustration 25. From the following figures appearing in the books of Fire Insurance Division of General Insurance Company, show the amount of claim as it would appear in revenue account for the year ended 31st March 14. You are supposed to find out the claim which will appear in revenue account. In revenue account, you are supposed to show premium, claim, commission, and operating expenses of the management. Direct business and reinsurance claim paid during the year, payable on 1st April 13 and 31st March 14, opening outstanding, closing outstanding. Closing outstanding is to be added, opening outstanding is to be deducted. Both these are claims paid, whereas this is claim received. Expenses of management are 2,30,000, includes 35,000 surveyors fees, 45,000 legal expenses for settlement of claim. So you are not supposed to consider entire 2,30,000 but only 35,000 and 45,000. I will show you how it is to be done. General Insurance Company statement showing amount of claim. Claims paid during the year for direct business. These are the claims paid plus closing outstanding minus opening outstanding. This is the net amount. Claims paid during the year for reinsurance 7 lakhs plus closing outstanding minus opening outstanding. This is the net figure. Claims received 2,30,000 plus closing outstanding minus opening outstanding. This is the net figure in negative. Why? Because these two claims are paid whereas this is received. So it will get deducted. Expenses of management related to claim only to surveyor's fee 35,000. Legal expenses for settlement of claim is 45,000. Total is 80,000. So 47 lakhs 19,000 plus 6 lakhs 66,000 minus 2 lakhs 77,000 plus 80,000. That amount is 51 lakhs 88,000. Amount of claim to be shown in revenue account for the year ended 31st March 14. This is how this statement is to be prepared. It's very important. Illustration 26. Prepare the fire insurance revenue account as per IRDA regulation for the year ended 31st March 14 from the following details. Claims paid, schedule number 2. Legal expenses regarding claim, add in this, schedule number 2. Premium received, schedule number 1. Reinsurance premium paid, deduct from schedule number 1. Commission, schedule number 3. Expenses of management, schedule number 4. Provision against unexpired risk on 1st April 13. This is opening provision for unexpired risk. Claims unpaid on 1st April 13. Opening outstanding is to be deducted. Claims unpaid on 31st March 14. Closing outstanding is to be added. Both this are to be shown in claim schedule, that is schedule number 2. Create reserve for unexpired risk at 50%. Opening provision for unexpired risk is given. Closing provision for unexpired risk is 50% of net premium. For that, you are supposed to first prepare schedule number 1 for premium, find out the net premium, and 50% of that will be closing provision for unexpired risk. Schedule number 1, premium. Premium received less reinsurance premium. So net premium is 12 lakhs. 50% of 12 lakhs is 6 lakhs. 6 lakhs is the closing provision for unexpired risk. Adjustment for change in reserve for unexpired risk minus 50,000. So schedule number 1 net figure is 11 lakhs 50,000. Now we'll see this working note. Working note for change in provision for unexpired risk. Closing provision for unexpired risk is 6 lakhs. Opening provision for unexpired risk is 5 lakhs 50,000, which is given. So change is 50,000. So this directly what you can do is in the schedule 1 premium, opening provision for unexpired risk is to be added and closing provision for unexpired risk is to be deducted. So instead of showing this, what you can do is plus opening provision for unexpired risk 5,50,000 minus closing provision for unexpired risk 6 lakh, or you can show the working note. It is one and same. Net figure will go to revenue account. Schedule number 2, claims. Claim including legal expenses. Legal expenses are to be added. Closing outstanding is to be added. Opening outstanding is to be deducted. Total claim is 5,30,000. This will go to revenue account. Schedule number 3, commission. No other adjustment. Schedule number 4, operating expenses of management 2 lakhs. No other adjustment. Working note for premium we have seen. Now we'll see how revenue account is to be prepared. Form BRA, name of the insurer, registration number and date of registration with IRDA, fire insurance revenue account for the year ended 31st March 14. First premium on schedule number 1, 11,50,000, other income is nil, interest, dividend, rent is nil, total of A is 11,50,000. Then claim incurred schedule number 2, 5,30,000, commission schedule number 3, 3 lakhs. Operating expenses relating to insurance business schedule number 4, 2 lakhs. Total of 2, 3 and 4 is 10 lakhs 30,000. Operating profit A minus B 1 lakhs 20,000. This is how revenue account is to be prepared. In this particular video we have seen illustrations for preparation of unexpired risk reserve account, calculation of claim to be transferred to revenue account, and preparation of fire insurance revenue account. Thank you.